y'all, it's your girl Bria D, and I'm back with another video. So today I will be showing you guys how I achieve my everyday makeup look. All the products that I do use are affordable products that you can get from Walmart, Target, Walgreens, anything like that. The only product that I do use in this video that is not a drugstore product is my MAC foundation, which you can get at your local MAC store. Before I do get into this video though, go ahead and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also comment down below and hit that notification bell so you do know when I do post to my channel. Oh, before I do that, I do have the link to this hair in the description box down below if you want to get details on that, as well as the link to the video of me showing you guys how I take this hair from a 1B to this jet black color. Alright, so make sure y'all do go ahead and check that out, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, so the first thing I do is moisturize my face, and what I use is the Niva Soft Moisturizing Cream. I did get this from Walmart. You can get it from Walmart, Target, Walgreens, anything like that. I do put about 4 dots on my face and then kind of rub it into my skin. I did use a little bit too much, so you don't have to use as much as I did, but this does give me a soft look once I do apply my makeup to my face. Alright, so this step is optional. I do use Carmax on my lips before applying my makeup. I do like to do this first because it does keep my lips moisturized during the process of applying it, and it also protects my lips from the foundation or concealer at the end when I'm ready to apply my lipstick or lip gloss. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Expresso, and I'm going to go ahead and outline my eyebrows, shade them, and make sure they are blended out like I like it. If you guys would like an eyebrow tutorial, please comment down below and I will provide that to you all. Alright guys, so now I'm going over my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I do this to prime my eyelids and also smooth out the creases in my eyes. After I apply the concealer, I do blend it out with my beauty sponge to kind of blend that out a little bit, and then over top I do apply my setting powder, which I will show you guys later. If you guys want to see a look with me using eyeshadow colors or just my eyeshadow routine, please comment down below and I will show you guys. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. The primer that I use is the NYX Shine Killer. I do apply just a little bit onto my index finger and then I apply that all over my face. I would highly recommend this primer if you have oily skin, because I do have very oily skin and it does help a lot with controlling that when I have makeup sitting on my face for a long period of time, and it also has a nice soft finish once you apply your foundation. The foundation that I'm using today is the MAC Matchmaster foundation in the color 8.5. When I do apply my foundation, I do like to use a beauty blender. Sometimes I switch off from a brush and a beauty blender, but today I will be using my beauty blender. I apply about 2 squirts to that and then dab it around my face, and then I go back to smooth it out and make sure that I have that full coverage. Don't forget to pull the foundation down to your neck so you don't have the issue of your face and your neck being 2 different colors. Like I mentioned before, I will be going in to set my eyelids. The setting powder that I will be using is the black Opal setting powder in the color Deep. When I do apply my setting powder to my eyelids, I do use the cosmetic wedges. You can get these from your local beauty supply store, and I apply the setting powder to my eyelids, and then I also use the same setting powder to set my face afterwards, like after my contour and things like that. Now I will be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee again to start to contour my face. I start with under my eyelids, then I move on to the bridge of my nose, the top of my forehead, the upper lip, and my chin. Now I'm going to go in to blend my face out. What I use to blend my face is that same beauty blender. I do blend for about 60 seconds just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines and all of the concealer is blended into my foundation. Blending, I do take a brush to wipe away the setting powder that I did have sitting on my eyelids. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my liner. The eyeliner that I'm using today is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I really love this liner because it does give me that matte finish. It's not shiny like other eyeliners that I have used before. The style that I'm doing is the wing style. This is pretty much my go-to when I am applying my eyeliner. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to finish contouring my face. I will be going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. I will go in with my brush and take the section where it says contour, which is the dark brown, to contour my cheeks, my jawline, my hairline, and then I will grab my smaller brush to contour my nose. So I will just put that powder down the side of my nose around the area that I did use the concealer. Alright y'all, so I will be going in to set my contour. I will be using that same setting powder that I used earlier. I do start out with setting the contour on my cheeks, and then I will go in to set the areas that I did use my concealer, which will be under my eyelids, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my upper lip, and then my chin. Alright, now I'm going to take my brush to lightly brush away the setting powder that I have sitting on my face. Now that I've removed the setting powder from my face, I will be going in with the Covergirl TRUblend pressed powder in the number 6. I will be grabbing that same brush to apply this powder to my face and using that brush to blend everything in. Alright, now it's time to get into my lips, and I will be going in with a lip liner first, which would be the NYX Matte Lip Liner in the color Club Hopper. And then afterwards I will be going in with a clear lip gloss that I did get from my local beauty supply store. When I do apply my lip liner, I do go over it twice, so you will see me do that here in this video, and then that's when I apply my lip gloss. Now it's time for some highlighter, so I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette again and use the highlighter out of that. I usually don't use this highlighter, but I can't find the one that I usually use, so I'm just going to use this one today, and I will be putting the highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes, and then I will be grabbing my bigger brush to apply the highlighter above the contour that I did on my cheeks. Alright, so to make sure that my makeup does last me throughout the day, I do spray a few sprays of my NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. After that does dry, I do apply my lashes. I did get these lashes from Amazon, and I will have them listed down in the description box below. Alright y'all, so this is the finishing look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like more makeup tutorials, please comment down below, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll make sure I get that out to you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!